how to take an action and apply it to an entire folder, because it's going to make your life a lot easier. Say you have 50 pictures that you want to upload to the internet and you want them all specific size, you want the background removed, and you want your logo in there. Once you create this action, you can apply it to an entire folder without having to open every one of these files up. So we have applied this action to this one, and we want to verify that it actually put it in the right place. So I'm going to go up here, or actually I'll just go to my Finder. I'm going to find that folder, and that is in the animals folder, into export, and I see that file. I'm going to go ahead and delete that because, again, I'm going to apply this to the whole folder, so I don't want to end up with two drafts. So I'm going to make sure that that is deleted. Okay, so now I'm going to X out of this. Let's say don't save, and you don't necessarily have to. I'm just having everything closed out. To apply this to a batch, we're going to go to File, and we're going to go Automate, and we're going to say a batch. Okay, inside of here, we're going to choose what it is that we end up wanting to do, or the set that we're going to get this out of, which is our background change. What action are we going to do? We're going to do a remove background. We have two different ones here, but I want the remove background. We're going to choose the folder that we want to actually get this, that we want to apply this to. So I'm going to go in here, and I am going to make sure I'm in the correct folder, and I'm going to choose my animals one, and I want this to be put into the export. Oops, but that's not what this one's asking. This one's asking where are the files. So it's actually out here, so I can see all the files that I want to grab and apply that to. I'm going to hit choose. Now, what is the destination folder? What folder is it that I want to save it to? And that is that export folder. So I'm going to choose folder. I'm going to click on choose, and I'm going to, again, make sure I'm in the right folder. Sometimes, up here, you might not be looking at the right one. So always go to the right one. I'm going to double click on export, and I'm going to choose that. Then I'm going to go down here, and where it's the very first thing that I want to choose is document name. Okay, and then this should automatically pop up document name. You might have to, and sometimes you don't have to, so it just varies. In here where it says extension, just make sure this says extension. Override action save as command. And I'm going to say okay. And what should happen is, you can see over here, it's kind of opening and then closing out each one of these images. And then if I go in here to my Finder, and I go to my desktop, I find the folder that, whatever folder it is, you look at your export, you should see each one of these. If I view it as a gallery, I should be able to see that each one of these has my logo on it. And they are all also the correct 800 pixels wide, just like I wanted. And that's how you do a batch.